Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing a piece of salon equipment that promises both comfort and durability, the Winado Heavy-Duty Reclining Barber Chair. If you're a stylist, barber, or someone looking to upgrade their salon or home setup, this chair might just be the upgrade you need. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Winado Barber Chair is designed with a focus on stability, comfort, and functionality, offering a large, heavy-duty hydraulic pump that can support up to 500 pouncers. This is paired with a 27-inch chrome base for enhanced stability, ensuring that the chair stays secure even during the busiest days. The seat itself is thickly padded and constructed to resist deformation over time. No more worrying about sinking seats after prolonged use. The chair offers full adjustability, which is a must for any salon environment. The backrest tilts up to 150 degrees, making it easy to accommodate different client needs. The 360-degree swivel gives you freedom of movement, and the hydraulic pump allows for an adjustable height of up to 6 inches. Plus, the headrest can be extended by 8 inches, which is a nice touch for added comfort and versatility. Now let's talk about comfort. The seat is upholstered in PVC artificial leather, which is both skin-friendly and breathable, so you won't have to worry about discomfort during long sessions. It's filled with high-density sponge padding, offering just the right amount of softness and support for hours of sitting. This makes the chair suitable for both clients and stylists, no matter how long the session lasts. In real-world testing, I found the chair to be incredibly easy to integrate into a busy salon environment. The assembly process is straightforward. Within 15 minutes, the chair was fully set up and ready for use. It comes with detailed instructions, and all necessary parts are included in the box. A little heads up, it does arrive in 2 separate packages, which might arrive on different days. Let's break down the pros and cons based on real-life use. Pros: sturdy and durable. The 500-pound weight capacity and chrome base give this chair excellent stability. Highly adjustable. The tilt, swivel, and height adjustments make it incredibly versatile for different client needs. Comfortable seating. The high-density sponge and breathable leather upholstery are perfect for extended use. Easy to assemble. With clear instructions, you can get this chair up and running in no time. Cons. Size. While the chair is designed to support up to 500 pounds, the large size may not be ideal for every space, especially in smaller salons. Assembly time. While it's not complicated, the fact that it arrives in 2 packages and takes around 15 minutes to assemble might be a consideration if you need to set it up quickly for a busy day. When it comes to value for money, the Winado Barber Chair is a solid investment. Given its heavy-duty design and adjustability, the price point feels justified, especially when compared to other high-quality salon chairs on the market. Its robust build and comfort make it a great option for professionals who need a chair that can withstand daily use without compromising on comfort. In terms of build quality, the materials used are durable. The chrome base adds to the chair's overall sturdiness, while the leather upholstery looks sleek and is easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. As for longevity, the high-density sponge and thick seat cushion suggest that this chair will hold up well over time without showing wear too quickly. If you're looking for an alternative that offers similar performance, you could consider other salon chairs in a similar price range. But most comparable models either lack the weight capacity or don't offer the same level of comfort and adjustability. The Winado chair stands out in terms of both design and durability, especially at its price point. In conclusion, the Winado Heavy-Duty Reclining Barber Chair is a great option for professionals looking for a combination of durability, comfort, and functionality. Its versatility in adjusting for different needs, combined with its solid build, makes it a standout choice. If you're someone who regularly works with clients of various body types or needs a chair that will last through heavy use, this could be exactly what you need. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews. Your support helps us continue providing honest and detailed reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.